Where to begin? So this is, they call a Celtic harp, or a lever harp, because it has levers. Okay? It's not necessarily Welsh harp, because it took ages to find this. This is your tuning key. Without your tuning key, you can do nothing. You can't tune it, you can't fix it, and then so you have to play. Looking alright here, just checking. You've still got that little loop, you see it? The others have got small loops, I did it bigger so you can see it. But see all these? They've got loops on them. Just about there. Off. Prepare 3 fingers. Off. Now then, don't play anything, get ready. Thumb. So, I'll play that twice. Yeah, you don't have to put the fingers back there because you're going to be preparing the sets after, so you pull them one by one up. You can get nice on with it. So the harp itself is therapeutic and it's a good instrument to use in health and well-being for people. And in the Bible, in the Old Testament, David had a harp and played for Solomon to ease his pain up here.
Of the mountains where in childhood I would roam.
Okay, go down now. Yeah, and here we go, 100 miles an hour. Wait, back. Play the tone first. It's funny because you had, which one of you? A week? Good. That's good. And you had good sound between both notes, you see? It's really good. This time, from eating. Who have you got left who needs to do it? Yes, turn around. Good. That's really good.
Lick, song, lick, song, lick, song, please, lick, please, lick, please,